Simple explainer video on creating an FTP account in the DirectAdmin panel. Log in to your DirectAdmin control panel with the username and password provided to you. From the control panel dashboard, navigate to Account Manager and select FTP Management. You are now in the FTP Management section, where you will find the option to create a new FTP account. Click the Create FTP Account button. Enter a username for your FTP account, set a password, choose the FTP account type, and click the Create button. You can create an FTP account to manage the entire domain, a specific root directory, a user FTP account, or a custom FTP account. I have chosen to create a domain-based FTP account. Your FTP account has been successfully created. You can also suspend or delete unwanted FTP accounts by selecting the account and clicking the Suspend or Delete button.